In this video, let me show you how to find area under a constant function. This is very simple. We will implement the concept of base times height to find the area of a rectangle. So the base refers to a bigger number minus a small number on the horizontal axis, and the height is the horizontal function. So let's say y is equals to 6. So you have a horizontal line at 6. So therefore, height is equals to 6. So 6 is 6 of what? So 6 is the distance between the horizontal function and the x-axis or the horizontal axis. So let's take a look at the first picture. Do you see that there is a horizontal line at 5? So the function is y equals to 5. So we know that this is the height. So the height is the distance between the line and the x-axis. So that is 5 units up. And then what about the base? The base is big minus small. So the bigger number is 8 minus the smaller number 2. So we will just do this. Area is equals to base times height, right? And then the base is 8 minus 2. Big number minus small number. If you use 2 minus 8, you will get a negative. So area cannot be negative. And then the height is 5 units long. So this is 6 times 5. So that is equals to 30. You can just write 30, or you can write 30 units square. Okay, so that is the area. And then you might ask me, hey, how about this? So let's do this one. So let's make a cut right here, and then I am going to call this cut 12. So what is this area then? So what is this area? So this area is the base, which is 12 minus 8 times the height. Oh, it's hard to see, right? So this is 12 minus 8 minus 8. And then multiply, what is the height? The height is equals to 5. So 12 minus 8 is equals to 4. And then 4 times 5 is equals to 20 square unit. All right. So how about this box? So let's say this is equals to 0. What is this area? So the area, this area is equals to the base, which is 2 minus 0, times the height, which is equals to 5. 2 times 5 is 10 square unit. So that is the area of that smaller rectangle. Let's move on to the next picture. So the next picture, I have y-axis, and then I have 4.2 and 13. So what is the horizontal function? The horizontal function is either you write f of x equals to 4.2 or y is equals to 4.2. So the base is 13 minus 6, and then the height is 4.2, right? So that is equals to 7 times 4.2, and then you will be able to get the area of the shaded region, the yellow region. So that is equals to 29.4 unit square, or square unit. And then you are going to ask me, hey, just a what if? What if that is equals to 0? And then what about this area? So this area is equals to big minus small times height. So you have 6 times 4.2, that is equals to 25.2. 25.2, and then square unit. And then of course this one is 29. I should follow the color code. So this is 29.4 square unit. Okay, so let's do these two. So these two contains negative numbers. So what's the first one? The first one is area equals to big minus small. I know there is a negative, but take a look. When you use a positive minus a negative, that becomes a positive. So multiply by the height. The height is y equals to 4. So this is a 4 units long. 4 units long. And then this one is 10 times 4. That is equals to 40 unit square. So even though you have negative in the horizontal axis, don't worry about that. So once you subtract them, you will get a positive. So how about this one? The base is all negative. So as long as you use the bigger number minus a smaller number, so the bigger number in this case is negative 2. When you take that minus negative 10, so minus negative 10, right? So that becomes 2 plus 10, and then times 9, because this is y equals to 9, and then the height is 9 units long. So this is negative 2 plus 10, and then times 9. So that is equals to 8 times 9. That is equals to 72 square units. Alright, so that is the end of this video. If you think my instruction is helpful and clear, give me a like, share the video for me, subscribe to my channel if you are on your way out. Thank you for your support. I will catch you all in the next lesson.